After nearly 2 decades of research and development, the purple tomato by Norfolk Healthy Science is now available to consumers. Why purple? Developed in 2008, the purple tomato contains more anthocyanins, an antioxidant found in many purple fruits and vegetables, than its red counterparts. What is the power of purple? Anthocyanins not only give the tomato a rich purple color, but because of their antioxidant properties, they are also believed to have health benefits for those that eat them. Anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, the potential to aid in heart, lung, and neurological health, and their ability to assist in the prevention of cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, and obesity make them an important part of anyone's diet. Don't purple tomatoes already exist? You may have seen purple tomatoes before. In fact, there are several varieties of purple skinned tomatoes that have existed for over 100 years. The black Krim, Cherokee purple, and the purple calabash are all purple heirloom varieties, but the purple is only skin deep. The Norfolk purple tomato pigments are more than skin deep and are made in the whole tomato. That means the deep purple color is throughout the fruit and provides a more powerful punch of antioxidants. Where does the purple come from? All brightly colored fruits and vegetables contain color pigments that give them their vibrant colors while powering and protecting the plants that produce them. The pigments get their color from the way that their cells interact with the sunlight. As an example, the green pigment in plants is chlorophyll, which captures light in photosynthesis, allowing plants to produce sugar. Orange and yellow pigments in plants are carotenoids. Carotenoids protect chlorophyll by absorbing excess light energy on days with overly intense sunlight. Red and blue pigments are known as flavonoids. The flavonoids provide yellow, red, and blue flower colors, filtrate UV light, provide antimicrobial defenses, and provide assistance for cold and heat tolerance. One very important flavonoid is the anthocyanin. Anthocyanins are responsible for the deep purple color in many fruits and vegetables, such as blackberries, blueberries, and red cabbage. These purple plant pigments have protective antioxidant properties for the plant and for the people who eat them. So, how did the purple get in the tomato? Using a common method in genetic engineering, scientists were able to use the bacteria Agrobacterium tumefaciens to insert two genes from a snapdragon flower into the tomato's DNA. Scientists first had to identify and isolate the specific gene or genes in the snapdragon that produced the purple color. Once the genes were identified, they were inserted into the tomato's DNA using a bacterial vector, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This bacteria naturally transfers genetic material to plant cells. When the modified bacteria come into contact with tomato plant cells, they transfer the snapdragon gene into the tomato's DNA. This is known as plant transformation. The new cells were screened to verify a successful transformation. Those cells then developed into a tomato plant. So, how do you go from a cell to a plant? After transformation, the plant tissue is placed in a substance that promotes the growth and development of transformed cells. Plant hormones are then added to the culture to induce the formation of embryos from somatic cells. As the transformed cells develop, they form shoots, roots, and eventually whole plantlets. Once the plantlets are sufficiently developed, they are transferred to soil and grown to maturity in a greenhouse or other type of growth chamber. The resulting plants then grow to maturity and their seeds are collected. These seeds contain the transgenes that are passed on to future generations. Interested in growing your own purple tomatoes? Home gardeners can order the purple tomato seeds from Norfolk Healthy Produce and grow their own. For those wanting to take advantage of the health benefits of the purple tomato without growing their own, can look for the commercially grown Empress tomato in their local grocery stores.